Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install OBS Studio on your Windows computer, and if you're receiving this error which says the app you're trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app. So if you're receiving this error whenever you try to install OBS Studio on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now, the first step is to allow apps to download from anywhere. Now, for this, open Windows settings and then go to apps and then go to advanced app settings. Now, over here, you can see choose where to get apps, and over here, you can see right now the Microsoft Store only is selected. You can select anywhere and then try to install OBS. Still, you are unable to install, then the next step is to log into your PC as an administrator. Make sure that you're logged in to your computer as an administrator. So if you're not logged in as an administrator, you can go to settings, and first of all you can sign out. You can sign out or you can switch to any other user account which is admin. So you can log in to the computer using any admin account, and then you can try to install OBS. Or if you have any account which is not an administrator, then you can make it as an administrator. For this, go to accounts and then go to other users, and over here, for example, I have this account as another account I have on my computer, and you can click on change account type and you can select administrator over here. Click on OK. Now you can switch to this account if you want to, and then you can try to install OBS, and you should not receive this error message again. Now still you are unable to install OBS. In that case, the last step is to switch out of S mode. So if you have Windows in S mode, you can switch out of S mode, and that should help you to fix the error. Now to switch out of S mode, you can watch this video. The link is provided in the video description, so you can go to this link, and I have made a separate video on how to get out of S mode and you can fix this error. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get rid of this error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.